So this is one document which we never touched upon. Okay, we definitely saw it in policies, in different documents that we actually created, but we never created this document. Now, what is this? This is called version control document. You must have heard about this version control.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, why is necessary? What if we don't have this version control document in front of every policy or procedure if we create it? What is this usage of this one?
See, every time we we do update, right? We should
Yeah,
know like from what. See, let's say now X is the version X.1. Now you have a changes. Now you move to X.2.
yeah,
So now what are the recent version? Based on the recent version, your
yeah,
policies might change, your procedures might change. Your so how do we track it? We need to have some track, right?
right.
So track all this information what you have done.
Okay,
So we need to have a versionings.
right.
It's like any product. If you release, also we will put right. Like uh, every version has its own changes, implementations, updates to track all this information. We need to have versioning.
Very good, very good. And how does it help the auditor, if I ask?
Yeah, auditor. See, let us say he will take always the latest
Yes, yes. Latest
latest
version.
document to
Yeah.
yeah to cross verify the current system implementations or policies.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And what are the main things that auditor will look for in this particular one?
So, what are the latest version number
Okay.
and
And
what are the changes
and
from the previous version to this version and
yes.
who has approved it?
Very good.
Yeah.
Approved by
Mm,
whom? And approved on which date? And what
yeah,
were the
approved it.
changes? These are the main three things that they will always look for. Why?
Yeah.
Because see, even Jay today can want he can create a document, right? But
Yeah.
whether it's valid, how will you check the validity? Validity is checked from approvals.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, if there is no approval, that means the no validity, no.
Exactly.
So that's
There's
why,
some. Yeah.
yeah. So that's why you need to make sure that the document is valid, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Isaac. How are you?
I'm very well. How about you?
I'm good. Does this looks good? The better than the previous tool?
Can you come again?
Yeah, I'm saying, does the screen looks better than the previous screen?
Yes, yes, and then it's very fine. I don't know if the link can also be. Oh, no, no problem, no problem. I wanted to suggest email, but no problem.
Yeah. So the link will be the same for this one every time, right? No need to change the
Okay,
link. Yeah.
okay.
Are you liking it?
Yes, I like it. It's better. It seems
Good.
better.
Good.
Yeah, it is about documenting changes that has been taking place.
Yes.
Yeah. Correct. Exactly. Perfect.
Yes. You are right.
And if I also did get him right, it means if you want to compare the changes, you take the current one and then the immediate past one and then you compare. If I'm right.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Basically, we
Okay.
always consider latest one. Then you see the changes. What are the new changes, or what are the implementations added in this, or removed, whatever it is. So we'll consider that, and yeah, who has approved this? That is also very important for us.
Right. Right. So document title you can give as per the requirement, right? For example, if you are creating a BYOD policy, so document title will be BYOD policy, right? You can do that.
Yeah.
Document code will be like, you can, depending upon the department, you can give the code. For example, HR 1.1, right? This could be the document code. Or let's say
Mm.
IT, 0.1. This could be document code. Because why here department? So that you can easily refer to the document, right? That's how
Okay.
it should
Yeah.
be. Date of last release, when the document was released. For example, this document if released in 2020, that will be the date of release. Okay.
Okay.
Document validity, for example, if the document validity is, let's say, 7 years or 9 years, or as per business decision, that you need to mention it here as per business decision. Okay. Normally document validity is 5 years, which I have seen. So 5 years is
Mm.
usually default what they put. Okay, 5 years. And document revision number, what is the revision of this document? You can mention in terms of, like Charan mentioned, 1.1.1, or either 1.1 or 1.2, something like that, right? This will be
Yeah.
revision numbers. Document owner, who has created the document. For example, let's say J has created the document, right? So J's
Yeah.
name will be the document owner. Document reviewer, who has reviewed this document. Let's say Charan has reviewed the document, so Charan will be the document owner. Document distribution list, who can this document release to? For example, who are the stakeholders for this document, who are basically responsible for this, right? Or who are
Yeah.
affected by this. For example, in this case it could be all employees, because this is a BYOD policy, right?
Yeah. Plus.
Making sense so far?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Perfect.
Security classification could be what? Tell me, what would be the security classification types?
Confidential.
Information.
Yes,
Assets.
confidential. Yes, what
Yeah.
else?
Of course.
Confidential, secret,
Yeah.
top secret, and what one?
Public.
Uh,
Public.
Public. Yes, last one is public. Either you can choose any one of these four types. Okay, that will be the security classification. Document status will be whether it is still in progress or it is completed. Okay, these are the two document status that you have.
mhm.
Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
And after that, what you have is document disposal date. So normally disposal would be around 5 to 7 years. As I mentioned already, disposal normally is 5 to 7 years from the date of last release. So for example, if the release was in 2020, the date of disposal will be 2027, right? You can put that.
Mm.
And the disposal method will be, in case it is a printed format, you can shred it using a shredder, right? All of you know
Mm.
what is a shredder?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can use a
Yeah.
shredder
Yeah.
to shred it. And if it's a digital format, you can go for secure delete. How you
Yeah.
go for secure delete? Tell me.
We can in the hard disk we can uh, make a deletion. I mean formatting.
But then you can recover also, right? So what is secure delete?
Mm.
Can I say?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Perhaps you crash the after deleting you crash the hard disk.
But we will have other documents also, right?
Yeah. So you can't crush the hard disk every time. What else?
Uh,
Anybody who can answer this will get a virtual chocolate from me. Come on, think now. Because we never discussed this thing. But this is very important. Secure deletion. What is the difference between deletion and secure deletion? How do you apply security to something? Okay, think in that perspective. How do you apply confidentiality to something?
maybe
Multiple option.
encrypt or decrypt and
Very good. Yes.
encrypt and making. Yeah.
Yes, very good. So once you encrypt, then if you delete, okay. Now even if somebody is able to recover this, would he able to access this? No.
No. Yeah.
Okay. So having encryption and then deleting makes a secure delete. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
But this comes with the integrity, na? That is comes with the. I
Come
mean,
again, Jay.
this comes with the integrity, na? I mean, integrity mechanism we need to use, not like a hashing mechanism we need to use, na? So that cannot be recovered kind of way.
See, if you will do hashing and if you delete, then your original information will also be lost, right?
Yeah, I mean that the other person, the next the attacker person will not get able to cover with the hashing platforms, right?
Yes, you are right. You can use a hash also, completely. Yes. And hash will be unrecoverable. Yes, you are right. In fact, encryption can be recovered, but hash cannot be recovered, right? Good.
Can
So
I
hashing
ask
is,
a question?
yeah, go on.
Can you hash a document and encrypt it at the same time? Can the
No,
two?
no, no, no,
Okay.
no. Let me explain you the difference between encryption and hashing. Okay. There is only one difference between encryption and hashing. Encryption, basically, you basically encrypt and you decrypt, right?
Yeah.
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 But in hashing, you only encrypt. There is no decryption option.
Okay.
Yeah, it's only a one-way hash. That's it. One way.
Okay.
There is no, this way is not possible.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why J is right. Okay, it should be hashed and then
Okay.
deleted. Yeah.
Like in simple format, now if I define to people, okay, so in encryption is a reversible where hash
Yes.
being
Yes.
reversed.
This is reversible, right? It can come back, but this cannot come back. This way is not possible. It's
Okay.
one way. Yeah. Good. Good. So after that we have document change control. Okay. These are the document details. What we have so far. These are document details, and after that we have document change control. Version we will mention 1.1, 1.2, something like that. Prepared by
Hmm.
who? For example, sometimes J will prepare it, sometimes ISAC will prepare it, right? And approved by, let's say, Charan. One case, one case will be me. I will approve it. Approved on, here will be date one, date two. Okay. And now changes and amendments. What are the changes have been made? For example, in first case, you created the policy. Okay, that will always be the first case. You created it, right? You
Yeah.
created the policy. Second would be now started will be amendment. For example, you changed one paragraph. Okay, so you'll mention change in para 1.1. That's it. Okay, it has to be small. You don't have to write what all you changed and all. You just mention the change in para. This. That's